Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the HG model P802 military truck. I've had this sitting for a while here. I've had it for about a month now and I just haven't gotten around to opening it. And so today we'll go ahead and take a look what is in the package. Now the P802 is a scale model of a US military truck, specifically the one I bought is the M983 HEMTT. It is a 8x8, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the box. Now this picture here is depicting the one that I did not pick up. This one actually has the bed here. So the box comes with a big, nice handle. It's a pretty heavy package. You can see the top of the box here. Here's the back of the box, and this is the model that I picked up. Here are the two models that HG model makes. This is the P801 and this is the P802. Some of the features. Most of the features shown here are for the P801, but I think they all correlate to the P802 as well. Here's the bottom of the box, and basically it just shows which one you have. And you can see here I have the P802. Here's one side of the box. Let me get you a better angle. Alright, it's a huge box, so I have it on the ground, but this is one side of the box. And it just basically shows you the layout underneath the chassis. Also shows the P802. And let's flip it over and take a look at the other side. And here is the other side of the box with the P801 pictured. Along with the main box here, I also actually received a separate box. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside this box. So this is what it looks like here. You now pull these things out one by one. Alright, this looks like zip ties and some tools. Mud flaps. Oh, this is kind of neat. They gave me 3 drivers, 3 hex drivers. 1.5, 2.5, and 2.0. Yeah, pretty cool, man. Extra tools, could always use those. More mud flaps. Steel cable, or I don't know if it's steel, but cable. And I believe this is for the steering mechanism. This truck uses cables for steering. Some hardware. It's labeled right there. Let's see what else is in here. There's a box inside the box. And see. Let me get something to open this. Alright. Transmitter is here as well. It's not in the main box. Let's take a look at the transmitter. Steering trim. This looks like a 3-position switch. I'm not really sure what it's for yet. On and off switch right there. Let's see here. Alright. Steering and throttle direction. Steering trim. Binding. Not sure if I'll use this, but this is what it comes with. And the last thing in the box is the manual as well as decals. Some of the decals there. Alright, let's move on to the main box. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the main box. Oh, this thing's got its own carrying case. Alright. So this case is made of foam. Some kind of styrofoam. HG model logo under. And let's figure out how to open this thing. I don't see any tape. And it's got hinges in the back. It's held closed by magnets right there. Look at that. The P802 is gift wrapped. It's got a ribbon on there. Alright. Now I've heard that this exhaust here is actually the handle that you're supposed to use to lift up the truck. Pretty heavy. And there's the truck. Let's take take some of this gift wrapping off of it. This thing's got quite a bit of heft to it. Not light by any means. Tire's a little firm. I'm wondering if there's any other tires that could fit on these wheels. And let me see if I could give you a close-up of some of the truck. Now this truck uses leaf springs. And let's see if I can give you a look at that. You can see that it uses leaf springs right there. And out of the box, it's a little stiff. I might want to see if I could adjust the leaf springs and make it a little bit softer. Got leaf springs up here as well. So 4 axles. The axles are metal. There's a transfer case right here. Metal drive shafts as well. The wheels, they're bead locks, but they're plastic. See here. Looks like this thing uses a Dean's plug. I might switch that out later or not. We'll see. Got some nice scale details here. I think this thing opens up. I don't know if you need a screwdriver to do so though. Maybe lift this up. There you go. Alright, so on this side we've got the receiver and the ESC, and I'm wondering if, you know, if I should stick with this or not. Alright, so over at the back of the truck here, you got 2 servos. One is for the trailer release, and the other one is for shifting between high and low gear. The servo goes to the transfer case. Spare tire up here. Don't know if that thing opens up. Take a look at it. I'm pretty sure it does. Maybe a little later. Some scale looking rope cable. I think the doors are supposed to open. There you go. It's actually got a little latch here. And that's how you open the door. Let's look inside. Look at the cab. It's a little heavy, so bear with me. Looks like it's got fold out mirrors. There. Look at that scale motor in there. I don't know if you can see it. I'd have to remove this housing for you to be able to see it. Maybe I'll do it a little bit later. Let's take a look at the steering mechanism. So you can see it's four-wheel steer, or yeah, four-wheel steer in the front, not front and rear. And as you can see, it uses cable ties to turn the wheels, and I believe it uses 2 servos to do this as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the scale motor in there by taking this cover off. I'm doing it with the supplied tools. Here's the motor cover. And here you can see a nice detail that they have in there. There's the motor. It's a 550 can, I think. Turbo right there. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, check this out. The motor's even got like a fan on there. Engine fan. That's kind of neat. So overall, this guy's a beast. Definitely worth it in my opinion. There's definitely a lot of things that you can do with it. I look forward to kind of seeing what I can modify on this truck, but I'm gonna just run it a few times first. Look forward to running videos in the future. But other than that, pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.